Luna Productions. The walls are closing in on me as I sit in silence in the solitude of a dark, lonely room, feeling as though I'm on the brink of dying an emotional death, in anticipation of the Grim Reaper approaching me really soon, trying to fight off all the demons that are weighing me down, wishing I had someone to talk to, but no one else is around. Silence can sometimes be the loudest of sounds. As I sit in a pool of tears, I wonder, what does a queen do when she's been stripped of her crown? Seconds turn to minutes, then the minutes turn to hours. The vultures are circling around me in anticipation of the taste of death that they long to devour. Hours have now reluctantly turned into days. The more I try to fight, the more trapped I become in this never-ending maze. Stuck on repeat, like a spinning record that never plays.